Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklet Educational channel. This is a very special video for the masters as well as PhD students. So here we will try to list out some of the skills which you can develop and learn in order to be different from the other people in this competitive world. So here we will list out some of the skills which you can develop which will be helpful throughout the lifetime. So basically we will try to find out what are the interesting things which we can do in our free time. First thing is to learn the basics of remote sensing and GIS. Yes, this technique is usually used in the soil, water, vegetation, in almost each and every part of the scientific research. So if you are in masters or you are planning to prepare the research proposal in your first year PhD, then you should look for the application of remote sensing in your research work. So the point arises from where we can learn this remote sensing. That's very simple because YouTube is the answer to everything, and there are several courses going on YouTube for free, as well as you can also join workshops related to remote sensing and GIS. So in this video I'll be telling you to enroll in certain websites from where you can get the updates regarding the workshop related to remote sensing and GIS. The next skill which you can develop is to read the research paper. Yes, research paper reading is a very good habit, although it is very boring, but it will help you to progress in your research work, and it will be also helpful if you're in masters to generate new ideas which you can incorporate to do the best work in your PhD. And also by reading papers you will get the idea how to write research paper. That will be very important when you will be starting your career in the PhD work as a research scholar. So make two important friends in your research life, that is Google Scholar and Sci-Hub. The next important and useful skill which you can develop is to master in statistics. Yes, statistics is used in every field of science in the research sector, and a good research is always judged based on the statistics analysis used in that. Yes, the many software are present online, that is R software, MATLAB, Python and SPSS. So SPSS full form is Statistical Product and Service Solution. So you can try to learn these things, which is also available in YouTube. The next important skill which you can develop based on your passion and interest is identifying the beauty in nature. That means you can be able to identify the birds that is related to ornithology, their characteristics features, their sounds. You can also go for amphibian study, how to identify them. Even you can go for the plants to know their names, know their features from the leaves and other parts. So if you can go for the field visit, it is well and good, and otherwise you can go for the book study which are available online. Some research are incomplete without the laboratorical works. Yes, the lab techniques you can also learn and develop, which can be the air, water, soil monitoring. I'm giving you the example, their analysis, and how to know different compounds present in different particles and different things present in our planet. So that's the also basic thing which you should learn if you're going to start the PhD or if you have already started the research work. So the next skill which you can develop is to improve the fluency and the interview skills. So that's the very important thing, because you can complete the PhD but the viva is the final step. So you should not get nervous during interviews, because after PhD also you can go for jobs and all. So everywhere interview skills and fluency is required. So try to read more and more books to develop the English speaking skill. That is very important. Try to utilize the time from the busy schedule of memes and social media in using the latest technologies such as Amazon Audible, or else you can watch the short films or short movies in English on YouTube by using the subtitles, because subtitles will help you to learn the words very easily if you are in the initial stages of learning English speaking. The next thing is not a skill but actually the step from where you can develop new skills. Yes, Yeti is an informal collective of students and researchers of ecology, evolution, behavior and conservation in India. So through the help of Yeti's mailing list, you can get the notification about job openings, project related to environmental science, wildlife, ecology and biodiversity. You can even get the notifications for volunteering in several national projects. So what you have to do, you have to enroll in the mailing list, which is spam free and will be helpful for each and everyone. So the link to this website I will provide in the description below. And lastly, I would suggest you that you can also learn editing skills which will be helpful in some or other day in your life. So so it is not related to scientific research, but what I want to tell you that utilize your time to develop new skills every time. So don't waste your time and try to learn more things which I have discussed in this video. I hope you like this. Don't forget to share this with your friends because sharing is always caring. And one more thing also you can develop if you haven't developed, it is to subscribe the channel.